NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 11. Simplify 1 plus tan square theta of 1 minus sin theta of 1 plus sin theta. Answer. Let us write the given expression. 1 plus tan square theta of 1 minus sin theta of 1 plus sin theta. That is equal to 1 plus tan square theta of. The second and third terms are of the form a minus b of a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, where a is 1 and b is sin theta. Therefore, we can write it as 1 minus sin square theta. Now let us use the identities. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That implies cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We can write 1 plus tan square theta as secant square theta and 1 minus sin square theta as cos square theta. That is equal to, we know that secant theta is 1 by cos theta from the reciprocal formula. That is equal to 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta. Cos square theta by cos square theta is 1. Therefore, 1 plus tan square theta of 1 minus sin theta of 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1.